There we go. So, even though it's broken and locator pins is missing, let's try and get it out. It's really tight. One. Right, that's hard to rake. Security S1740, I think, if I remember right. That's a lot. It's there we go. That's one. Some unknown thing. Don't know what it is. Don't know. Well, don't know what make it is. Ooh. That don't. Right. Ow. Cuffs. That one side. Done it. Oh, almost. Yeah. Oh, bent it. Yeah, we're getting there. Hold on. It's alright, Brown, calm down. Come on. There we go.